Actually, at Cornerstone, we had a use case that this annoying integration gap between two systems. We have a fantastic kind of front end marketing where we have a lot of customers saying, yeah, or prospects come saying like, yeah, we want Cornerstone to help us with us. This example in particular was we need to get surety bonds. And then Cornerstone has a great system for getting those surety bonds. We have an in-house surety with connections to a lot of underwriting. But there's this little gap of getting the people who are interested to actually getting surety bonds. Let's just let's just dig into this and see how we can solve this really quickly and easily. And so I found an AI coding tool. This is called Replit. This one was just dead easy to the point where, John, I think I took your prompt here, and John didn't develop this prompt on his own and write out all this technical jargon. Like this is AI on top of AI. Like John talked to ChatGPT and said, "Hey, we've got this gap. Like, help me think about how to solve it. Help me make a prompt for a little app to do so." From that, we then had like a lot of back and forth of like, you have to. It's not just a one shot thing. You'll give an app like this a prompt, and then it'll digest it. It'll do some coding, and then like it'll ask you some more questions, so you can kind of see some back and forth, right? But after a couple of rounds of back and forth, what we landed on was an app that fills that little integration gap for us. So somebody can come to our bond website now. They can fill in a little bit of data. You can choose a few states. You can choose the type of industry you're in. So we'll go with collection agencies because that's the topic du jour. A couple qualification questions. This was just like sucking in a spreadsheet. We had a spreadsheet in the background, again, not connected to our system of record, not connected to the marketing funnel. And that would basically just building that little bit of logic into this app made it possible for somebody, instead of having to, hey, I know I need an Arizona collection agency bond. Can you just get it for me? Previously, we just didn't have the mechanism. And that puts something like this together. And then this sends an email notification, which was again a simple integration. I don't know how to do code integrations myself, but this tool is like, now I need your API key for SendGrid so that I can send an email. Like step-by-step business level terminology that made it possible for someone like me and John, who are not software developers, to put together this app and bridge that little gap. So that's the example that came to mind when I read Josh's survey of like this integration gap exists and how simple it can be for somebody to bridge that gap.